Hey everybody, it's Emily and this is Emmylou Arts. Today I'm just going to do a little bit of journaling in my A6 Hobonichi. So get your journal or your planner or something that you enjoy doing and let's do it. Okay, so first of all, on Friday, I decided to move that little date sticker that I had stuck in before. Usually those peel off pretty good, so it wasn't too bad. And then I stuck in some Recollections washi tape that I got last year at Michael's. It's kind of a really pretty floral that reminds me of fall. And then I put the little Friday sticker back in on top of it. And then I had printed a couple pictures ahead of time from my Sprocket of things just from our anniversary, which was the day before. So I wanted to put those in there and remember those things. And then a little Totoro sticker flake. I love sticker flakes. I can't get enough. And they're so travel friendly when you're trying to journal on the go. And then another Sprocket photo. I am burning through the Sprocket paper lately, but I just want to take pictures of everything. So, oh well. It's a good investment to me, I guess. And then I'm using my Sarasa mahogany pen, and I love it. I've told you ad nauseum about that pen. I really think it's pretty. And then, what am I doing? Sticking in some stickers from those American Crafts sticker books that I got at Tuesday morning, long time ago. And then a little rose from those stickers. I don't know where they are from, that they're just little people and stuff doing different things. And I just thought that little yellow flower was really pretty. And so on Sunday, I wanted to put in some Hong and Ding stickers. There is the Hong and Ding saying, "Are you crazy?" And I explained to you later in the video why I'm sticking those down, but Hong and Ding I think will forever be my favorite stickers to put in my planner because they just make me laugh without fail. And then just some words that I'm hoping ring true for the day. And some flower stickers. Tomorrow is Saturday. I'm putting in some florals. And then this journaling sticker is from a Heidi Swap journaling sticker pack that I got, I think, at Joann's a long time ago. And then a Hong and Ding. Oh, now I'm putting in the Never Give Up. Sorry. I kind of shot this video over a few days, so you guys aren't getting the, it all in order, so my brain's kind of jumbled. And I'm just journaling about tomorrow, what I'm going to do with my kids and my mom and dad. So I am using the pen that I got with my Hobonichi order last year, and I really love that pen. And then I'm sticking in a fortune, which I will tell you about. Thanks for joining me today on my journaling for the last couple of days. I know that you guys had seen what I did for last weekend, the wedding, and then Sunday where we were just catching up on family time. In the beginning of the week, the last video that I had out was my mom and I making the jelly cover for my planner, my Hobonichi Avec, which turned out so great. I am so thankful to her, and we had so much fun making it. So I put in a little piece of extra jelly in there. I tipped it in just as a reminder of what we worked on that day. And I put a sticker on it from one of my American Crafts sticker books. And on the back, I put the card for the Etsy shop that I ordered, the vinyl name sticker that I put on the front of the notebook. And then I cut out this this horoscope that my dad read me because it was amazing and it was just so cool. It says, keep making things like you do. Let nothing discourage you. This is part of what keeps you vital and certainly something you'll be remembered for. I just thought that was so neat. It definitely, this channel and creating these things and interacting with you guys definitely keeps me vital. It fills my cup. So I hope you guys never doubt that. I am so grateful to all of you for watching. So I wanted to tell you that. These two little pictures were from seed packets that they gave out at the on the tables at the wedding, that you could go home and plant like sunflower seeds. And then you guys saw the crazy cats jumping around. This is just pictures of my kids and I at their school fundraiser run. And I put a little Hong and Ding sticker with the box because I sent out all of my giveaway gifts on Monday so that people would get them. And then on Tuesday, my grandma passed away in the early hours of the morning, so this page is just kind of dedicated to her. It's a picture of her with my two kiddos at Christmas a couple years ago. And then I just put a flower and butterfly and just wrote a little bit about her and my happy memories of her. She was a wonderful lady and will be dearly, dearly missed. So this kind of reminded me of her. She loved flowers and butterflies and taking walks. And this page I also did, it was a combination of Wednesday and Thursday. And it was sort of an art journaling, collage journaling of things that also reminded me of her and her house. They live in a small town in Iowa, and that's where she grew up and where she raised her family, my dad and his brother and sister. And they had a garden in back of their house, and so this always reminded me of them. My grandpa grew roses, and they did have some vegetables and stuff. And I just remember their old house in the small town that they lived in. It was like a time capsule. Like my cousins and I used to sneak around and just look at all the things. So this kind of reminded me of her house. And then this butter this butter tag reminded me of her too, because she always had butter sitting out in her kitchen, like a ton of butter. My grandma was known as the pie lady in this town because she made pies for everyone. She made pies for the churches. She made pies for the breakfast clubs. She made pies for birthday clubs and for fundraisers. And she was the pie lady. That's what she did. She baked all the time. She was Paula Deen before Paula Deen was Paula Deen. She used butter. There was no low-fat anything in what my grandma cooked. What you would picture, wholesome hometown America, that was her house. I mean, it was just funny. And we had this cutouts from a Norman Rockwell calendar, and that reminded me of their house because I feel I'll have to ask my dad, but I feel they had a Norman Rockwell calendar in their kitchen at some point because I remember it, and this just reminds me of their house. And then this pear, she always used to go pick fresh fruit like rhubarb and strawberries and apples. She would always go and get the fruit, pick the fruit for all of her pies. So that was always, there's always fruit. And just these fabrics, their kitchen had floral wallpaper, and it's just, yeah, everything, this just reminds me of their house. That's, I just liked it. It was just sort of memories. It was kind of a time for me to just think about her when I did this. So that I enjoyed very much. And then today, on Friday, yesterday was kind of a very busy day. So it was my husband and I's 10th anniversary, and we didn't even really have time to celebrate together because it was just, he worked all day. I was home and got the kids, and then they had activities last night, dance and a pack meeting, so we didn't even really get to sit down together until the evening time, like 8:45, and actually talk and you know, so. But this is just journaling about that. And this little what are these? I got these on Amazon, I think. These Sticker Flakes are, why am I blanking on the name? This guy. I can't, I'm blanking right now, but they're just Sticker Flakes, and they're from Amazon, and I've just been so tired. I'm so tired. I've got a cold, so I've just been taking NyQuil, and then DayQuil, and then NyQuil, and then DayQuil, and that's just how I feel, like I've been hit by a truck. So, yeah. So I took a picture of the finished shelf that Michael made for our bedroom, which is just really special to me because he built it, and it just holds a lot of pictures from all of the most precious memories from our life together, you know, like having our kids and getting married and stuff like that. So I just wanted to take a picture of that and put it in there. And I just stuck some stickers in. For tomorrow is my grandma's service, so we'll be driving up to the small town that she lived in for her visitation and funeral. And I just put in this Hong and Ding star. It's like an angel hanging the stars, so I know she's an angel now. She's watching over us. Baking pies in heaven, that was her favorite thing. So, and then Sunday I stuck in stickers because the Des Moines Marathon is on Sunday, and the plan is that we're still going to do it. I bumped down to the half marathon because of my injury and the break that I had to take from training because of it. So I just put in these little Hong and Ding stickers. Are you crazy? And then the guy walking with a little lantern light on his head, and then good. Like, and then this obviously never give up sticker. I hope to put a bunch of pictures in here, but yeah, my goal is just to go out and enjoy the morning. It's supposed to be a nice fall morning and something fun that we will do. And I'm excited about it. I have zero expectations, so if I end up walking the whole thing, I am just fine with that. I plan to have a good playlist or a good audiobook and just enjoy a couple hours in the morning outside. So I will check back with you guys again soon, and I hope that you are having a great week and that the weekend ahead is a beautiful one. Thank you. Bye.